Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a phenomenal guitar from Fender, the American Ultra Stratocaster. This guitar is truly impressive in both performance and design. First off, let's talk about the pickups. Fender uses ultra-noiseless vintage Stratocaster pickups, giving you both clean and clear tones. Whether you're playing blues or rock, this guitar offers a wide dynamic range that suits any style. The body is made from alder or ash, depending on the color you choose. These materials make the guitar both durable and resonant. The neck is something special, too. With its modern D profile and ultra-rounded heel, it offers a comfortable playing experience. Especially when reaching those higher frets, it's smooth and easy. As for the fretboard, it features 22 medium jumbo frets and a 10-inch 14-inch compound radius, making it a joy to play. Whether you're shredding solos or playing chords, it feels fantastic under your fingers. For controls, you've got a master volume, master tone, and a 5-way switch. This means switching between tones is quick and effortless. Extra features include locking tuners and a Floyd Rose tremolo system, ensuring your tuning stays stable and the tremolo use is super fun. The American Ultra Stratocaster stands out not just for its sound, but also for its ergonomic design. It remains comfortable to play even during long sessions. Considering the comfort and ease of playing, this guitar is a perfect choice. Now, let's talk about its tones. Thanks to the noiseless pickups, you get low noise and silent operation. So, whether you're recording in the studio or performing live on stage, you'll get clean and clear tones. These features make it versatile enough to adapt to any music style. The price might be a bit high, but when you consider the quality and performance it offers, it's totally worth it. The Fender American Ultra Stratocaster is an instrument that will elevate your music career, always by your side with its high performance and wide range of tones. In conclusion, this guitar isn't just about playing, it's about enjoying every moment you play. If you're looking for a quality guitar, the Fender American Ultra Stratocaster should definitely be at the top of your list. Grab your guitar and enjoy the music. Now let's dive into the Ibanez RG550, a guitar that's perfect for those who love fast, technical playing and versatile tones. The Ibanez RG550 is equipped with V7 neck, S1 middle, and V8 bridge pickups. These pickups provide a wide range of tones, from sharp and aggressive to smooth and clean. Whether you're into rock, metal, or even jazz, this guitar can handle it all. One of the key features of the RG550 is its Super Wizard neck. Made from a 5-piece maple/walnut combination, this neck is incredibly thin and fast. It's perfect for shredding and complex fingerwork, giving you the speed and agility you need for technical playing. The fretboard has 24 jumbo frets and a 16.9-inch radius, making it ideal for fast solos and intricate riffs. The wide fret spacing allows for easy bending and precise note articulation, which is essential for high-speed playing. This guitar also features an edge tremolo system. This means you can dive bomb and pull up with stability and precision, all while keeping your tuning intact. It's a dream for any guitarist who loves to use the whammy bar without the hassle of going out of tune. The Ibanez RG550 stands out with its sleek and modern design. It's not just about looks, though. The basswood body is lightweight yet resonant, providing excellent sustain and tonal clarity. The iconic shark tooth inlays add a touch of style that's instantly recognizable. When it comes to versatility, the RG550 excels. With a 5-way pickup selector switch, you can easily switch between different pickup configurations to find the perfect tone for any style of music. This makes it a great choice for guitarists who need a wide range of sounds at their fingertips. Despite its high performance, this guitar is quite affordable. It offers a great balance between quality and price, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced players looking for a reliable instrument. In summary, the Ibanez RG550 is a powerhouse of a guitar. Its fast neck, versatile pickups, and robust tremolo system make it a top choice for anyone looking to push their playing to the next level. If you're in the market for a high-performance guitar that won't break the bank, the RG550 is definitely worth considering. Keep rocking and enjoy the incredible versatility and speed of the Ibanez RG550. Now, let's move on to our next product, the Gibson Les Paul Standard 60s. This guitar is an absolute legend in the world of music, known for its iconic design and powerful tones. First, let's dive into the pickups. The Les Paul Standard 60s is equipped with Burstbucker 61R neck and 61T bridge humbucker pickups. These pickups deliver that classic Les Paul sound with warm, rich, and powerful tones. Whether you're playing rock, blues, or even hard rock, this guitar has got you covered. The body is crafted from mahogany with a maple top, giving it a beautiful look and a robust, resonant sound. The neck features a slim taper 60s profile, making it easy and comfortable to play. With the set-in construction, you get excellent sustain and a solid feel. The fretboard has 22 medium jumbo frets and a 12-inch radius, which makes playing smooth and effortless. You've got 2 volume and 2 tone controls, along with a 3-way switch, allowing you to dial in your perfect sound with ease. Some extra features include Grover Rotomatics tuners and an ABR 1-2-O-matic bridge, ensuring your tuning stays stable and your intonation is spot on. This guitar shines not just in sound, but also in its design. The Les Paul Standard 60s is renowned for its timeless look, making it a favorite among guitarists of all genres. It's built with high-quality materials, ensuring it's durable and will last you for years. In terms of tone, this guitar is unbeatable. The warm and rich tones are perfect for any style of music, and its powerful sound makes it ideal for live performances and studio recordings alike. It's versatile, delivering everything from smooth blues to hard-hitting rock. While it might be on the heavier side compared to other guitars, its weight contributes to its amazing sustain and tone quality. And yes, it's a bit pricey, but for what you get, it's worth every penny. To sum it up, the Gibson Les Paul Standard 60s is a top-notch guitar that combines legendary sound, superior craftsmanship, and a timeless design. If you're serious about your music, this guitar should definitely be on your radar. Let's keep the music flowing and enjoy the magic of the Les Paul Standard 60s. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of the Gibson Les Paul Standard 60s or which guitar you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.